for one thing. Watching kitten videos.
They're just so cute with their widow paws and their scratchy tongues.
Mom, you're embarrassing me. It's okay. All right, next up, we've got the Wainwrights. Brainy Janie and her dad, Ted. Ted sells auto insurance and frequently hits reply all when he means to hit reply. No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Ooh, yeehaw, Luck is getting bigger. Y'all want us lucky? All right, one for me. If you think logging on is something a bear does in the woods, you might not be smarter than a fifth grader. Kyle, Janie, I heard your parents recently started.
Yes.
Well, let's just see how good they are at it. Using the computers in front of you.
The kitten watching machines.
Yes, Mom. Get your parents to update their status. You've got 30 seconds on the clock, and go.
Okay, Mom, we've gone over this. Just go to that big space in the middle that says what's on your mind and type something.
Kyle has new armpit hairs.
I just want to tell the whole world about them.
You're not Mason.
Dad, that's not your status.
Yes, it is.
Dad, you just ordered a pizza.
No, I didn't. Yes, you did. Ooh. Well, looks like that's the end of round one, and it's not looking good. Seems to me these folks think a megabyte is this.